Welcome to today's headlines. Court set for judgment in suit seeking Buharis removal from office on Monday. Court set for judgment in suit seeking Buharis removal from office on Monday. To my dear listeners, this is today's news. All is now set for a federal high court in Abuja to deliver a landmark judgment on January 30th in a suit seeking the removal of President Muhammadu Buhari from office on account of alleged illegalities in the 2019 presidential election. The judgment billed to be delivered by Justice Inyangeko will also resolve a request seeking to stop the conduct of the 2023 presidential election. A notice for the judgment delivery just cited by our correspondent at the Federal Ministry of Justice in Abuja indicated that the verdict would be handed down by 9 a.m. on Monday by Justice Ekwo. The notice was directly served on the Attorney General of the Federation AGF and the Minister of Justice as the Chief Law Officer of the Federation for President Buhari. A presidential candidate in the 2019 election on the platform of the Hope Democratic Party (HDP), Ambrose Albert Owuru, instituted the legal action against Buhari and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). Among others, the presidential candidate wants the court to determine the legality or otherwise of INEC's decision in 2019, during which it shifted the election from February 16 to March 23, 2019. He claimed that INEC acted against the Constitution in illegal and unlawful ways and manners. The presidential poll was shifted and the declaration of Muhammadu Buhari as the winner of the unlawful act should be declared null and void and of no effect. Owuru, a British-trained constitutional lawyer, and called to the Nigerian bar in 1984, however asked the Federal High Court to declare him the winner of the poll. The ground of his claim is predicated on the fact that the petition he lodged against Buhari had not been adjudicated upon by the Supreme Court as required by law. The politician claimed that his petition at the Supreme Court was unjustly dismissed following his absence from the apex court occasioned by discrepancies in the hearing date conveyed to him. He therefore prayed the court to remove Buhari and declare him Uhuru the authentic president, and that Buhari should be compelled to refund all monies he collected as salaries, emolument, and security vote. The HDP presidential candidate also asked the court to order his inauguration for a 4-year tenure of office upon removal of Buhari from office, and that the Federal High Court should stop INEC from conducting the 2023 presidential election. Justice Equalhard on November 4 last year fixed January 30th as the judgment date following the adoption of final addresses by President Buhari, Attorney General of the Federation AGF, the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC, and the plaintiff Chief Ambrose Albert Okuru. All is now set for a Federal High Court in Abuja to deliver a landmark judgment on January 30th in a suit seeking the removal of President Muhammadu Buhari from office on account of alleged illegalities in the 2019 presidential election. The judgment billed to be delivered by Justice Iyange Demeko will also resolve a request seeking to stop the conduct of the 2023 presidential election. Now come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.